How to add a custom domain in SendGrid. So first, navigate to the sender authentication. So just simply go to the left sidebar right here, then go to settings, then scroll down till you see the sender authentication option right there, then click on it. Now once you've clicked on it, you will see this page. So you will just simply need to click on authenticate your domain. Now once you're here, you will just simply need to select your DNS provider from the drop down menu right here. And if your host isn't listed, just simply choose this option, so I'm not sure, or other host. So let's say I'm just going to go with I'm not sure. And you can also choose to brand your tracking links at this stage if you desire. But for me, I'm just simply going to click on next. Now once you're here, you will now simply need to input your custom domain into the from domain space right here. And we also have the advanced settings right there. And after that, just simply click on next. And after you've clicked on next, SendGrid will generate a set of DNS records. So you need to copy those records, including the host and value, and add them to the DNS management section of your domain host like GoDaddy or Namecheap. And after that, go back right here on SendGrid or on your SendGrid account and click verify. So it might take some time for the DNS records to propagate before verification is successful. And that is how I basically add a custom domain in SendGrid.